मंत्री जी शिलान्यास करें और देश को अंकित करें।
Ease of living and ease of doing business given by our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji has indeed brought a paradigm shift in India's physical and social infrastructure development. Telangana has also benefited immensely from various central government's initiatives.
साथियों, केंद्र सरकार तेलंगाना में इंडस्ट्री और खेती दोनों के विकास पर बल दे रही है। आज के ये प्रोजेक्ट तेलंगाना में ईज ऑफ ट्रैवल, ईज ऑफ लिविंग और ईज ऑफ डूइंग बिजनेस तीनों को बढ़ाएंगे।
Today, Honorable Prime Minister is inaugurating, dedicating to the nation and laying foundation stone for 6 projects costing about 9,400 crore rupees. Foundation stone for the 4-lane Gudebellur-Mehboob-Nagar stretch of the Hyderabad-Panaji economic corridor is being laid today. This project will provide seamless link between Raichur and Mehboob-Nagar, reducing travel time by 90 minutes and reducing Hyderabad-Goa travel time from 12 hours to 8 hours. POL terminal at Malkapur, Hyderabad is being dedicated to the nation. This terminal will strengthen Telangana's energy security and streamline fuel distribution by ensuring reliable supply, reducing transport costs and minimizing shortages during peak demand. Today, 2 key rail development projects are being dedicated to the nation. These include multiple sections of Kazipet-Vijayawada multi-tracking project with combined length of 118 kilometers. These projects will reduce congestion on the busy Grand Trunk route and improving speed and punctuality. The 21-kilometer Kazipet rail under rail bypass will eliminate bottlenecks at the junction, enabling smoother, simultaneous train movements and enhancing both freight and passenger operations. The foundation stone for the Zahirabad industrial area is also being laid today. This will launch a global manufacturing revolution by attracting investments, creating thousands of jobs and building world-class industrial infrastructure. The prestigious PM Mitra Park is also being inaugurated today. This park will have world-class infrastructure which will integrate the textile value chain guided by the 5F vision, farm to fiber to factory to fashion to foreign, and generate large-scale employment for women and rural youth while boosting exports. In Amrit Kaal, under PM Modi's vision, Telangana is poised to become a leading economic hub, driving India's growth story and contributing to the nation's goal of building a Vikasit Bharat.
What a historic moment, ladies and gentlemen. A huge round of applause. आज भारत को सोने की चिड़िया फिर से बुलाया जाना लगा है, क्योंकि सिर्फ प्रधानमंत्री जी ने इसे विश्व गुरु बनाने का सपना दिया है, बल्कि इस